Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your VW Tiguan key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Now for the battery replacement. Observe how the old CR 2032 battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your small screwdriver to carefully lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, ensuring it sits snugly in place. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test your key fob's lock and unlock functions to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.